Business and Industry Training has been offering short-term, hands-on training for over 26 years, offering training to all of the industry that we have here in Northwest Arkansas. We have 2 locations. We have a location in Springdale and one in Gentry. And we offer electrical systems, motor controls, PLCs, mechanical drives, robotics, CNC, and fluid power, which consists of your pneumatics and hydraulics. A lot of our students are from industry organizations where they send their employees to ask for us to train them.
So for Rockline, what business and industry training does for us is allows me to send folks into this facility for specific training and or refresher courses. And it really enhances their skills, brings even the the gentlemen and ladies that have been doing this for years, it may bring things to light for them that they've been asking about, been curious about.
Here in Northwest Arkansas, working with the different industry companies, there is a skills gap to where your plumbers, your electricians, people working in the plants here in Northwest Arkansas, there was not enough skilled individuals to be able to fill positions.
We have an aging workforce, and you've got folks that are on the verge of retirement, and you've got, let's say, 20-year-olds that are being told, hey, go to college, get your degree. And they're not aware that this exists, and they can come here, take some specific training that will prepare them for fields usually they're not aware of. And by doing that, we're able to close that skills gap.
We offer flexibility around the training hours that they want to train. And you can work a full-time job, and then when you're off of work, then you can come in evening time and do your training. If you want to come in on your lunch hour, you can come in on your lunch hour to do training. So we offer lots of flexibility. As long as the trainer is open, we welcome you to come in and do that training.
With Northwest Arkansas, there are many opportunities for anything around industrial maintenance, industrial electricians.
There's over 30 different industry companies that will reach out to us of looking for individuals to help fill positions that they have at their organization.
There's so many companies in the area that are always hiring. They're looking for anybody from entry level to experience. I would say the jobs in this area they're there. It is a definitely challenging and rewarding career. You don't know what you're going to do from one day to the next. That's one of the things that I enjoy, because I'm walking into an unknown a lot, because I don't know from one day what's going to break down, what's going to not break down, what projects are going to take priority over another one. And I enjoy that because I don't like doing the same thing over and over again. When you're done, I fixed that. And if it's a very complicated problem, you have that pride in your work that, hey, I was able to do this.